from wherever you are around the world. We're back, and we're going to kickstart this video, obviously, by reading a few comments from the last video. And I'm going to read these comments real quick before we move on to this video. Norma said, nice work, Trey, and commented again, nice work. Clifford Vieira said, family time, always awesome experience. Happy holidays, bro. Thanks for sharing. Unicorn765 said, you make anything and everything look so cool. Don't know how you're not a household name yet. All in due time, I guess. Great job. Hearts. Just like Facebook. I wish we had, I guess it'd be too many emojis on the screen flying up, getting hearts. I don't know how they do it in live. I've never done live yet. YouTube live. But thanks for the hearts. Unicorn765. Thank you, Clifford Vieira, and thank you, Norma, for all your feedback. All right, so now moving on to today's video. It's going to be kind of like one of those videos where it's strange, and to be honest, traveling sometimes I honestly don't enjoy the journey sometimes, but I don't really enjoy the journey, especially when you're flying for like 23 hours. Like one time when I went to Johannesburg, I flew for 23 hours. I mean, this is too much, man. But Europe, England in particular, it takes about 10 hours, really, 8 hours max with a fast plane. But this time, I didn't go straight. What I did was I connected to San Francisco, Calgary, and then I went to London. And London, I didn't get to Heathrow this time because I wanted to try other places. So I went to Gatwick, which, man. But without wasting too much time, let's just go straight into the video. And the video is basically going to be detailing nothing but the journey, right? If you do not enjoy travel, some people enjoy traveling, some people enjoy the journey. I enjoy the journey 50% and then the destination 100%. So we're going to fly from here to San Francisco, from San Francisco to Calgary, and then all the way to Gatwick, London. All right, on the destination part, I'm a type of person that if I hear of something, learn about some place, I'm not one to just grab another book and read about it, watch a video about it. I'm curious. I want to see for myself. So this place that we're going to be going to apparently is where the Romans came and they set up camp. The long story short is I might be wrong. Correct me in the comments section below. But from what I heard, and I tried looking enough to verify this information, this is where they named London for the first time in AD 50, I guess, after they invaded Britain in AD 48 or something like that. All you history majors, correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments below. And if I'm wrong, hey, don't take it with a grain of salt. Do your own research. But anyway, I found it fascinating that it is said to be one of the largest common lands. We call them parks or whatever you call it. Just an open 255 acre open space, and it actually is close to the church called the Blackheath Church. I want to go see it. So this will be the first location we're going to go to, and we're going to see how Blackheath looks like. If I get a moment, I'll take pictures and probably share at the end of the video. But day number one is just going to be going to Blackheath. Coincidentally, I'll be living right next to Blackheath in a place called Blackheath Village, I think. Yeah, something like that. But it's going to be a walking distance. I think we're going to walk 2 hours or an hour to the actual Blackheath common lands, which is one of the largest common lands in England, if I'm not mistaken. Without further ado, let's check this video out. I just made it to Calgary. I'm about to connect to Gatwick in a little bit. Remember, I told you it was just a travel video, nothing extensive, nothing amazing, no talking, none of that stuff. But the next video coming up is going to detail the photos that I took around the city of London. It's going to be more interesting, and I will share the tricks and tips of how to do city photography. But for now, hit that like button if you like the video, smash the subscribe button if you aren't already, and I will see you on the next video.